Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are in
Ikea. And what will we be doing then?
I don't know. Brought over here because we gotta get something for her room. And you know, believe it or not, I'm not a person who's crazy about being on stores. So anyway, we're here for what? What are we here for? For a bed
frame.
A bed frame. So Kyla.
And hopefully change Dad's experience.
So recently Kyla redo her room, and then we're going through all this stage of changing her room. So she saw something online that she wants to check over here. Is that the only thing we're getting?
We can also look at the shoe rack, the organizational for the shoe.
What?
A shoe organizer.
Well, nobody told me about that.
We're just gonna look
exactly.
At it.
Anyways.
Look at the
Look at it.
We're
We're just gonna look at it.
Anywho, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Ready.
Awesome, because I'm not. But what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
Oh, wait, Mom. And try.
Just hit it.
I could show you how to defeat the
Hey Kyla, you know where we're going?
No.
You're just taking me along the ride
Yeah.
to show me everything that you want?
Yeah.
I thought you were paying for all this.
Oh no.
What?
I pay when I'm 20. That's far.
Oh my god. But anywho, comment down below, let us know if you enjoy IKEA or any kind of stores like these ones. And also, you know, we're looking into organizing stuff in the house. Just give us some recommendations of what you guys do to organize your house better. So that's what basically we're trying to do as well. What are we looking at now? All that I keep hearing today, guys, is I want, and I need. I didn't know IKEA was gonna be such a painful trip.
Dad,
And only God knows what these two are planning now.
for real.
And our saga continues over here. What we're looking for, guys, just so you understand, in our house, pretty much all our camera gear happens to be either in a book bag or spread somewhere in the floor in our room. So we're also in the process of redoing an office space in our house. So we have a room that we're using as an office. So we're actually redoing that. So we're talking about possibly getting one of these shelves and then put it in the office versus our room, so that way we can start accommodating all the camera gears and stuff that we have. I mean, we don't have that much gear, but we want to be more organized. So that's where we at right now. And if you can see, Karen is down there. She's looking at possibly something different, and also possibly using boxes, so to put like the camera lenses or something like that.
$2, I think.
Yeah. So it's either that one that I show you or this $19.99. See, that's kind of my budget right there. I like this. You see right there? Yep. So Kyla, which one we ended up picking?
For you guys.
I know. We haven't even selected yours over here, and we spent like 20-25 minutes already. All right, let's go to what we actually came for over here. You want to get idea for your kids? Bring them over here. Kyla is having a blast in this section over here, which, by the way, so far we decided to get 2 of those bookshelves. The white one that we showed you earlier, one for us and one for Kyla. And let's see what else Kyla is gonna select.
I want my room like this.
You want your room like this? Sweet. I wouldn't mind you staying here in IKEA. I will leave you here in IKEA sleeping.
It's like
They will feed you and all that. Can we go?
What?
Can we go?
No, I like this kitchen.
Can we just do what we came for over here?
No. Oh, look at the laundry.
Look at the laundry. Now we're in the laundry. Now we're in the laundry, guys. Look at this. Okay, I'm coming. Look at the laundry. Look at the laundry. We're not going to get any laundry. So why don't we come over here and get what we came for? I must admit, Kyla, I actually like the silver color in this kitchen. But don't let your mom know that, please. So Kyla has seen a couple ideas online on the Ikea website, and we were looking all over the floor and we couldn't find it. As a matter of fact, she was already settling for this one over here, and then Karen went and asked, and guess what? It was right behind it. So this is Kyla, what she envisioned to have in her room, which is this bed frame over here. And you know, Kyla is entering into that stage now, and she's 12, almost 13. So we're kind of letting her make her own choices, kind of changing her room little by little to what she prefers and all that. And when we get home, and once we put it together, we're gonna show you why Kyla chose this gray bed frame, because it matches with something that Karen did months ago when she painted Kyla's room. So anyway, so believe it or not, between the silver and the white, it's gonna look dope in my opinion. So I'm actually happy that she went for this. So see, she's pretty excited right now. Kyla,
Yes.
are we ready?
I guess if we have to leave.
Can we go and pick up the stuff that you want to buy and that we got to buy and all that, so that way we can move to the house and go to the home?
Yes.
Never thought I would hear that today. Let's go. Now that Kyla is already sure what she wants, I want to take advantage of this so we can go. But if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you just drop a like. Just smash that like button. Let us know that you really care. I actually was celebrating too soon.
Way too soon. You should know better. Now you know.
I thought we were ready. I thought we were ready to put her in the pickup truck and head home. But I must admit, it wasn't her fault this time. And all of a sudden, Kyla is telling me she wants this. I don't understand that creepiness.
It's not creepy, so you
I
can
understand.
draw.
No,
You can draw. This is why.
I understand you
draw.
want to change your room, but getting into this, I don't know.
No. It's for drawing purposes.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Can we draw ourselves out of here?
No.
Let's go. Just like this, we're one step closer. Go ahead, Kyla. Please do me that favor. Or not. There you go. I have always loved watching that thing do that. Finally, guys, we made it to the warehouse.
Well, guess what?
Why?
Now we gotta figure out where everything is.
Oh my god. Oh well. At least we are one step closer. Already went to that bathroom. Already collecting one of the items for the organizer.
If he doesn't make it, well, we're just gonna be here forever. So
No.
if you guys want to, you can stop by.
Let's start with your best friend that I see over there. I think already. So there you go. I think we found the first piece of mystery. Let's go. Right over here.
Is that it?
That's it.
So Dad is now trying to get this up with his big muscles. We got baby muscles, so that's okay. They're doing their game plan when I'm recording for you guys. Oh, muscles.
Now that we have secured our commodity down there with Kyla, we came over here to the information booth to
Find this product here. So I typed in what we were looking for, and it tells you what aisle and what bin. So now we gotta go aisle 30, bin some.
Let's go.
So we finally made it out of the store, and now they just put it in. I was gonna say we, but I'm not doing any. Dad, you happy now? You made it out?
I'm happy I made it now. Here you go. That's how we're gonna get it. And off we go. Woo, we finally made it over here. So we hope this part one, it was as fun as for you that it was for them, because it wasn't fun for me at all. But anyways, how much we ended up doing? Like $200?
$200. The bed and the two kind of like bookcases kind of thing.
Yeah.
And then
About $200.
Yeah.
All right, so we're just gonna call this one a part one, and then part two will be when
Setting it up.
when Karen sets it up, because she's the one who assembles stuff in the house, not me. And basically we show you more about Kyla's room, and so that will be part 2, and then maybe in the future we'll bring you back over here to continue to organize our home. But anyway,
Yes.
yeah,
Agreed.
painfully for me, yes, we'll be back. But I truly hope you enjoyed this adventure. But with that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button and turn that bell for notifications.
Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys in the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya. Bye. Bye, Ikea. I'll see you hopefully in a long while.
No.
Bye. Sayonara. Adios. Aloha. Hasta luego. Bye bye. We're leaving. That's it. We're gone. Bye. I'm excited. Let's go. Let's go. Let's run without them too. Woohoo! Let's go. Bye, Ikea. Bye bye.